Good morning, dear student. This is the grammar class of 5th standards. Today we are going to learn new point, that is partitive nouns. Okay, it is related with material nouns. Our main topic name is material noun. Material nouns. Okay, in this chapter we learn sub point, that is partitive nouns. Okay, or partitive nouns. Look, what is meant by the partitive nouns? We use partitive nouns when we want to talk. We want to talk about quantity of an uncountable noun. Quantity, remember this word. Quantity of an uncountable nouns. Uncountable means that noun, maybe it material nouns. Okay. For example, you can look here. Bottle of water. Bottle of water. Look here. Water is uncountable. Water is uncountable noun. Remember this. Uncountable. Uncountable noun. When we want to express uncountable noun, okay? क्वांटिटी रिमेंबर दिस, दॅट मीन्स इन मराठी प्रमाण. अनकाउंटेबल म्हणजे मोजता येणार नाही अशा नामाला जर आपल्याला एककामध्ये जर सांगायचं असेल तर त्यावेळेस आपण कोणत्या नावाचा, पार्टिटिव्ह नावांचा उपयोग करतो. बॉटल, रिमेंबर दिस. ओके, आणि ही काय क्वांटिटी सांगते, म्हणजे प्रमाण मोजण्याचं एकक कशामध्ये, लक्षात ठेवा. रिमेंबर दिस क्वांटिटी which shows the quantity of an uncountable nouns. When we want to talk, आपल्याला ज्यावेळेस बोलायचं असतं की एखादं अनकाउंटेबल नाउन आहे आणि त्याची प्रमाण क्वांटिटी किती आहे हे सांगण्यासाठी आपण कशाचा वापर करतो, पर्टिटिव्ह नाउन्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, बॉटल ऑफ वॉटर. नाउ आय होप दॅट यू विल अंडरस्टँड हाऊ टू express the partitive nouns. Okay, then next, these nouns, these means partitive nouns usually followed by of. It is very important. These nouns usually followed by of. Remember this word, of. Look here. For example, cup of tea. Cup of tea. When we want to use this cup with tea is an uncountable noun, and between that the partitive nouns follow which word, of. Remember this, of. Always or usually followed of. A cup of tea, and we can easily say that it is a partitive nouns or partitive nouns. Remember this. Then next example, jug of milk. Milk is uncountable noun. Remember this. The definition of partitive nouns. A partitive nouns when we want to talk. We want to talk. ज्यावेळेस आपल्याला बोलायचं about quantity of uncountable noun. Quantity. How many milk? Remember this. That means quantity. We want to show the quantity. That time we use a unit. That means a jug. Remember this. A jug of milk. In this way, we can easily understand the partitive nouns. And the next example, glass of orange juice. Remember this. Here is one glass. Suppose that we can say it is one glass of, remember, glass of orange juice. Here is one juice. Remember this juice, and we want to express this material noun. Juice is uncountable. Remember this, uncountable noun. When we want to show or talk about uncountable noun related with quantity, that noun is called partitive nouns. I hope that you will understand the concept of petrative nouns. How to identify the petrative nouns using the of. Remember this. It is main indication. These nouns usually followed by of. I hope that you will understand the brief information about the petrative noun. The remaining part of this lesson we will see in next video. Thank you.